Alright.
Come and sit here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just come sit here.
Alright.
You look more like an artist. Are you one?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
I am an actor. I actually applied for this job because I don't want to be idle. I just wanted to work for the main time that I don't have a film job. So instead of just sitting at home, I just get a job.
Sorry. Yeah. I like your smile.
Thank you very much.
And your dimple.
I'm already getting shy.
Oh, it's fine. Just feel free with me, okay?
Alright.
So you applied for this job as my personal driver?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I picked you from out of the thousands of people that applied because of your personality. Okay?
Yeah, thank you, madam. And I promise you something. I'm going to diligently deliver my services here for you as your personal driver. I'll do my job accurately and without stress. I promise you.
I like the dimples.
Thank
I'm sorry,
you.
okay. You're going to be living here with me. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, your room is downstairs.
Oh, thank you. Alright.
As you're going down, please take the key from you. You can see over the counter.
Yeah,
on the right
sure.
side.
Sure.
Yeah, so just get the car ready.
Yeah.
Just go over, clean it up. I'll be with you in 10 minutes, okay?
10 minutes. Alright.
Okay.
Right away, ma'am. I got you. Sorry, I guess I took your time, but the car is ready.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, shall we be leaving now?
On a second thought. Sorry, excuse me. Just call me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just go.
Yeah.
So, you know you're very smart and cute. It's one of the reasons I employed you, right?
Yes.
I don't actually only want you to be driving me around in my car. I also want you to be driving me here on bed. Look at me. This is all I want from you. Just this.
No, I can't.
Wait, where are you going to? How dare you make me look like a fool?
I'm not sure I can do this.
I can see you're very stupid. Do you know where I picked you up from? From the heap of death. Trying to better your life, and this is what I get? A lot of people will jump on this opportunity when given. Are you mad? This is all I want from you, okay? Nothing more. Just come.
Oh, I can't.
Are you stupid?
This is not it. I don't think I can do this.
What do you take me for? You want to make me look like a fool? No, just tell me. This shows how stupid you are. Just what is wrong with you? Is it the money? The salary? Should I increase it? I was supposed to pay you 70,000, but I can double it. 140k. Does that sound good? You don't want it? What's wrong with this guy? Something everybody does. Okay, you know what? 30 minutes. Right? 30 minutes. Think about it. Think about it. Alright, go. Massage, start from my legs and my waist, then to the top, okay? Right. What are you doing there? Is this a joke or something? Wrong with you? I'm talking to you and you're just standing there moping like a moron. Alright. You told me about your father, right? Yes. That he's sick, that he's in the hospital and he needed money for surgery and you can't afford it.
Yes, that's why I came to get this job, because I want to save his life. I just want to help him. Yeah.
How much is it?
It's 350,000 naira.
700. That's what I will give you. 700,000. How does it sound? You want to let the opportunity slide? No, what are you waiting for? You want to watch your dad die? You are so stupid. You had an opportunity in your hands, in your two hands like this, and you want to let it go just like that. Think about your father. Think about his health. want to show me that you're useless, stupid. I want to show you how to treat such useless and stupid people.
Damn!
Then what? Then like how dare you? This is how stupid you are? Don't tell me I want to employ you stupid, useless he-goat! Did you know where I picked you from? Just tell me! Just to brush you up and you're dead, you want to lose the opportunity I gave you? No, you don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. You're not useless. You don't look at me like that. Something is wrong with you. Come back here. I said something is wrong with you. Where are you going to? Can you imagine this guy? Somebody I picked from the gutters. I'm trying to better his life and he's here acting like a fool, like a dumb fool! What kind of human being is this? Like I've never met such useless, stupid he-goats! Opportunity in your head, in your two arms like this, and you want to let it go just like that. Think about your father. Think about his health.
All right. I'm ready for you. I'm ready. You know, Madam Lesley, you see, I must confess, you are a very amazing lady. And also very, very kind. I want to say thank you for everything you want to do for me. That shows you're really, really a kind woman. And to add to that, I just realized that you're very generous. Imagine all of the things you want to do for me. It's really nice of you. And also, I was downstairs and I just checked my time before I came upstairs. I realized I've known you for 6 hours. And trust me, Madam Lesley, this has been my 6 hours of hell. Hell! Thank you for it. I want to tell you something. This right here is your car key. I want to tell you that I cannot work for you. I quit. Take your keys. Alright. Thank you very much for having me. I kind of enjoy this mixed, sorrowful moment with you. Bye-bye.
Wait, please. Please come back.
What for?
Just come, please. I'm sorry.
Madam Lesley, you don't get it. I'm not interested in the job anymore. I just do not want to work for you anymore.
I know. Please sit down. Please. See, I'm not going to do anything. I'm covered up. You see? Please come and sit. Thank you. I am the only child of a fucking rich family who passed away leaving all the money for me. I have everything the world can give. But I only lack one thing. Real love is what I want. A lot of guys, they propose love to me, but always because of what I have and what I am. So, because of all the fake love, I decided to settle down. But I needed the right person. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for whatever I did to you.
No.
I'm sorry for all the things I did to you. I'm so sorry.
No, you didn't do anything. Just get up. No, just get up. You've done nothing to me. I cannot understand all of these things you've been trying to do. You've been trying to test me.
Yes, I was.
So what if I gave in?
Would have walked you out and never have you come back here. But you didn't. You are exceptional. Right from the first day I set my eyes on you, I knew you were different. That was why I picked you. I'm so sorry.
I understand.
I'm sorry.
That's right.
Thank you. Oh, baby. That over there is a diamond ring my mom bought for me before she passed on. So I want you to go over there, pick it up, and make me your wife.
This is just unbelievable.
I know.
How did it get to this point?
I'm surprised too. Everything is happening just so fast, but just do it. Make me your wife, please. Yes.
This is really unbelievable.
I know.
Like, it's looking like a movie. But this is real.
It does feel like a movie, but you're the right person. Really?
Wow.
Yeah.
This is really beautiful.
It's actually expensive, you know.
Look at how it's glittering.
Thank you. Just do it. Just
Straight up.
do it. I can really confident. So, which one of the fingers?
I'll make my choice.
I've not done this before, so it's confusing. So I'll just keep my hands like this.
So I go here.
Okay. Let me just support you. Wow. Is this real?
Yes.
Yes.
Please. Marry me.
Yes! Yes, please! Yes!
Yeah.
Thank you so much!
You're welcome. Yeah. You're welcome. Like, I'm still surprised.
Me
Like,
too! How did it just
how did it
happen?
happen?